For today's behind the scenes video at Surfboards.com, we are picking, packing, and shipping a Salty Crew tank going to Riverside, California. Thanks for your order from Riverside, California. If you'd like to see your order picked, packed, and shipped, simply respond to your order email. We'd be glad to do it. So the tank is in bin B1E6C, so let's go grab it. B1E6C. B1E6C, so it should be in this bin. It's dark gray heather 334. I'm just looking for dark gray heather stuff. So I think that's it. Now I'm just looking for the right size and the right UPC. I'm gonna go with that, although I forgot my reading glasses and I can't really tell. So let's hope I got that one right. Green means I picked the right item. If I picked the wrong item, that screen would be red and it would start screaming at me. So I'll weigh it, set it on the scale to weigh it, scan the order number, ask the computer to get a weight and suggest a shipping service. In the meantime, I'll start packing it up. The computer wants it to go using the postal service out to Riverside, so let's go ahead and approve that. And while the computer is thinking, and before it spits out a shipping label, I'll finish packing it. And here it comes, your Salty Crew tank. Thanks a million for your order.